My dear brothers and sisters, in today's Gospel account, which we just heard, we heard the account of the cure of 10 lepers. To understand what Jesus wants to convey to us in this miracle, we need to go back into history of the Jewish times. During Jewish times, any skin disease was found to be leprous, and therefore they had to stay aloof from society, far in the hills or in the wilderness. And therefore these people, so-called lepers, it was contagious disease, could not live a homely life, could not live a social life, could not live a religious life, and so on. So they were far away, kept aloof. But these 10 men, lepers, they took courage when they heard about Jesus passing by. They had faith that this man can heal them. If you notice here one thing, Jesus does not heal them instantly. Only says, go and show to the priests that they are cleansed. And they believe that this man has healed them, and as they go, they were cleansed. The message Jesus wants to give to us is today not about gratitude, but more so about how we look at each other. A rabbi was one asked, when can you say the night has ended, the day has dawned? And the rabbi said, I know that the night has ended and the day has dawned when I look into my person's face, be it he or she, and say, he or she is my brother and sister. When we look at the other person, no matter what caste, religion, state, his status, and still can say that he or she is my brother or sister. So today let us reflect and ask ourselves how, with what attitude, with what eyes do I see those working for us, or those working with us, helping us in our household work, any other work. With what eyes do we look at it? Do we look down at them as the Jews looked down at Samaritans? They said, these people are in a way not of our religion. They are fallen away, Jews so to say. So they look down on them. How do we look at the other? Can I say, at the rabbi, when I look at your face, that you are my brother and sister, or do I say, you do not belong, so-called, to my religion and to my status, to my whatever. So we ask the Lord in the Mass today to give us the grace to see His face in our brothers and sisters.